everyone, my name is Sally and I'm with the YMCA, and today we are talking smoothies. I'm going to show you how to make a really simple smoothie with very minimal ingredients that you could make either for breakfast or a snack in the afternoon. It's also a great smoothie for kids if you're really wanting for them to get their green vegetables in, and this is a great way to kind of hide those vegetables. The materials that you're going to need to make this smoothie are, of course, a blender, a cutting board. I like to put a towel underneath my cutting board. This is a really important safety step when you are practicing your cutting skills or if you're teaching children how to cut. A knife, a spatula, of course, our smoothie cup, and this is a reusable straw. Awesome thing to have in the kitchen so you're not having to buy straws and dispose of straws. They're really great. I have 3 of them and I rotate through them all the time. And then our smoothie ingredients. So today we're going to make a banana blueberry smoothie, which you could probably say is a banana blueberry green smoothie. It is dairy free, but you do have the option to add in dairy if you do have a preference towards dairy. So in our smoothie today we have dark leafy greens. You really just need a large handful of them. I have about 4 cups sitting here, but really it's just a large handful. And then today I'm using coconut milk, but you can use any milk of your choice, whether it's regular cow milk, it can be almond milk, it can be oat milk, so whatever you prefer. And if you don't like milk at all, you really can use any liquid, so maybe it's a juice or water, but really pay attention to the sugar content when you're choosing your liquid. A lot of times our sugar can be hidden in those beverages. And then we have our blueberries and a frozen banana. One trick with bananas, if you actually peel them and then stick them into the freezer to get frozen, they enhance kind of that luxurious cold feel when you go to use them as smoothies. And then here I have 1/3 cup of peanut butter, and this is going to be the protein, but you can really use any nut butter of your choice. I grab peanut butter because it's a very common nut butter, but it can be almond butter, it can be cashew butter, it can even just be a handful of nuts. So if you don't have a nut butter in your kitchen, just use some nuts. All right, so let's get started. Just gonna grab my vessel here, my blender vessel. And all we're gonna do is start adding. So first I'm gonna put in my greens. Again, this is just a large handful. Greens are a really great source of fiber. They're also a wonderful source of calcium, so if anybody's concerned about taking cow dairy out of their diet, greens are a great source for calcium. There's also vitamin A and K, B vitamins, specifically folate, that are in greens, so it's really good for keeping our stress levels down. And then I'm going to add our fruit. So this is 1 cup of blueberries, and I would encourage using frozen blueberries. And when you're shopping for blueberries, maybe look for a label that says wild. Blueberries are super high in antioxidants. This is also going to give a beautiful purple color to our smoothie. Get all those in there. Great. And then our frozen banana. So depending on the power of your blender, some blenders can handle you just throwing this right in and it can blend it right up. But not every blender can. So I would encourage you to break it up into smaller pieces. Bananas, as we all know, is a great source of potassium. There's also vitamin C in bananas. And bananas, actually, the browner they get, the more enzymes the banana has. And enzymes are really good for helping our body to digest. So don't be nervous about a brown banana. Just throw it in the freezer and save it for a smoothie. All right, next is our nut butter. And today I have peanut butter, but of course use whatever you prefer. And this is 1/3 cups of nut butter. Okay. And then finally, your liquid preference. So today I have coconut milk, but whatever milk of your choice. Another option would be to use yogurt or kefir. That's another great source of probiotics, so if you have that in your pantry, feel free to use that instead. I encourage about 1 cup to 2 cups of milk. But this you kind of need to eye up because, you know, every banana is going to be a little bit different size. So I would encourage just pouring in about 1 cup's worth. Start to blend, and if it feels a little thick, add some more liquid. All right, so now we're gonna blend. All right, now you can see that beautiful purple color. Kids love that color. Again, no idea there's all those dark leafy greens in there. And then we can go ahead and pour. Don't forget the straw. And there we have it, our blueberry banana smoothie.